इस साल मुझे 10 years हो जाएंगे एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड इन सालों में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है अबाउट द इक्विपमेंट, गैजेट्स एंड टूल्स दैट हेल्प मी क्रिएट द कंटेंट आई क्रिएट। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ 4 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स फ्रॉम माई क्रिएटर किट। बेकिंग टूल्स और किचन इक्विपमेंट तो मैं बहुत शेयर करता हूँ, बट दिस इज गोना बी समथिंग डिफरेंट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First and foremost, the hero of my setup, my camera. I've been using this Canon 700D with a 50mm lens for about 8 years now. ये पहला कैमरा था जो मैंने लिया था when I started vlogging, and आज तक मेरी सारी ब्लॉग फोटोज एंड जो भी मैंने 5 बुक्स पब्लिश करी है उनकी सारी पिक्चर्स I've shot all of them on this camera। तो ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेशल है। एंड आई रिमेंबर मेरा वन ऑफ द सैडेस्ट डेज एवर वॉज मैंने लंदन में अपना पहला सोलो ट्रिप किया था एंड उस पहले सोलो ट्रिप पे ही मैंने ये कैमरा छोड़ दिया था इन द ट्यूब एंड सब कह रहे थे वापस मिल जाएगा, वहाँ कुछ नहीं खोता, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली तब क्रिसमस का टाइम था एंड देयर वाज नो स्टाफ एट द स्टेशन, सो मेरा फॉरएवर के लिए खो गया था। एंड देन व्हेन आई सेव्ड अप अगेन टू बाय अ न्यू कैमरा, आई वाज लाइक आई कांट इमेजिन शूटिंग ऑन एनीथिंग एल्स, आई गॉट द सेम कैमरा अगेन एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट एवर सिंस। And so yeah, it's a very, very important part of my creator journey and all the pictures I've ever shot. But after 8 years, I felt like it was time for an upgrade, and just in time, Canon sent me something new to try. Drum roll please, the Canon EOS R50V. So they've actually challenged me to flip the frame and create something completely different with it. It's a little out of my zone, but that's what makes it fun. So wait for part 2 of this video where I actually create content with this camera. And the real challenge, to explore everything this camera can do. New angles, new format. It's a whole new way of shooting and I'm excited to flip the frame, as they say. And now, let me share my first impressions. So it's a compact, mirrorless camera designed for content creators. So if you're a content creator, this is exactly what you need to try. I've also been told this has 14 built-in color filter, which means shots look great straight out of the camera, which also means there's no stress for color grading later, and that's exactly what I'm super excited to try. Next up is a tripod. I can't stress enough about how crucial it is for stability. It ensures I get sharp and crisp pictures every single time and avoid those annoying blurry photos because of camera shake. The brand that I'm using is Vanguard. I just discovered that this camera also has a vertical mount and I love that already. I'm a huge fan of shooting in natural light, so this is where I take all my photos. I keep the food on these backgrounds on this table, which is right next to a big window, which makes sure I get ample light, and these sheer white curtains make sure that the light's nice and filtered and soft, which really makes the colors pop and brings out the real texture and colors of the food that I'm clicking. So I love that. And when natural light is not enough, I use artificial light like a softbox from Godox. It ensures I get consistent lighting and also that the shots are perfect. Number 4, as a content creator, good audio is everything, and when I'm shooting on my phone, I use the Holyland Lark M2 mic. It's super convenient and easy to carry, easy to connect to my phone, so I use it all the time when I'm recording on my phone. And when I'm shooting on the camera, I like using the Rode Wireless Go 2. It never misses a beat and picks up all the small sounds, the whisking, the sprinkle of the sugar, and even the slightest sizzle in the pan. It really makes the video come to life. And now with R50V's built-in 3 mic system, I'm excited to see how it holds up on its own, whether it can capture that same depth and texture of sound without needing any add-ons. So this was my little creator kit, and ये 4 चीजें, camera, tripod, lights और mics, make so much difference and make my content so much easier and so much more fun. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where I'll create something completely different and unfold the magic of Canon EOS R50V and take the flip the frame challenge. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any more questions related to the equipment I use, ask in the comments below. I'll see you guys next week.